Hey, what's up guys, Williams here once again with another Sonic Unleashed episode, and this is the second boss, so let's get started. So the boss is right here. Boss is right here. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. So what you been up to? Did you like my first Sonic Unleashed boss? Was it awesome? Tell me in the comment section below. Dark Gaia Phoenix. Do this. Okay. Oh no! Oh no. I'm doing this move. Okay, yeah. Right here. Oh no! What? Oh, come on. What the? Seriously? No. Come on. Stop it. Is it the only way you can go? Dude. Alright, go. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. Woo! Go. Go, where are you going? Over here? Yeah. Going over here. Wow. Come on. Yeah. That's what you get. Alright, let's do this. You do this. Let's get on here. Go. No! I did not see that coming. Okay. Yeah. Where you go? Oh no, don't unleash those. No! Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Do it. Come over here. Come on, baby. Come on. Where you going? You going over here? Alright, cool. Do this. Oh no. Come on, sit on. Yeah, that's right. No. Come on. Oh. Go. Oh yes. Yeah, baby. And a slam on the ground. Yeah. Alright, so I think one more time now. Alright, one more time, baby. Oh man, let me get that. Yes. Go. Yeah, that's what you get. You don't deserve anything, because you're a Dark Gaia Phoenix. Come on. Look. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Where are you going? Alright, over here. Cool. Let's do it. Go. Now. Yes. Go. Go. Oh, what? I failed? Alright, did I fight it? Did I beat it? Yeah! Whoa! Rankas! Yes! Rankas! I have no idea what happened right there. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah! Isaac! Yeah, Isaac. Yeah, Isaac. Cheer for me, Isaac. Cheer. Alright. Well, That's all. So, thank you for watching, guys, and see you later.